For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Novium Hoverpen 2.0 Interstellar Edition, Space Black isn't just another pen, it's an experience. When I first got mine, I didn't expect it to become such a centerpiece on my desk, but the way it hovers at a 23.5-degree angle instantly grabs attention. A friend dropped by, saw it, and couldn't stop spinning it. It literally became the conversation topic for the next 10 minutes. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum and zinc alloy, it feels premium and solid, nothing cheap about it. I've handled a lot of high-end stationery over the years, and the Hoverpen is easily one of the most impressively engineered pens I've used. It's not just looks either. Over 100 precision manufacturing steps go into this design, and you can tell when you hold it. What surprised me the most was how the magnetic spin helped me stay focused. During long writing sessions, I found myself using it like a fidget tool without even realizing it. It's genuinely useful, not just a gimmick. That little spin while thinking feels oddly calming and keeps your hands busy in a good way. Now let's talk writing. This pen uses Schmidt ballpoint cartridges, and if you've tried them, you know they write smooth with zero skipping or ink mess. I use it to take notes, plan out my week, and even for signing documents. No smudges, no bleeding, just clean writing every time. What really makes it stand out for me is that it's both a tool and a statement. I first saw it featured in a YouTube Tech Gear roundup and later read that Schmidt cartridges are trusted in many luxury pens. That added a layer of confidence before I even placed my order. The Space Black finish is sleek and modern. It blends perfectly with a minimalist or professional setup. To wrap it up, if you're into gear that's functional and gets people talking, this pen hits that sweet spot. It's something I use daily, but it also sparks curiosity every time someone sees it. Whether you're a writer, designer, or just someone who enjoys well-made tools, the Hoverpen delivers a cool mix of utility, design, and focus.